Hey there, health enthusiasts. Have you ever wondered about the buzz surrounding stem cell therapy? Yes, the science behind it has been making leaps and bounds. Let's dive into it, shall we? So, here's the scoop. In a nutshell, stem cell therapy involves injecting components that encourage your body to churn out new stem cells. Sounds like a sci-fi movie, right? It's like giving your body a blueprint to repair itself. But, and it's a big but, it's not all roses. While it's been a game changer for some, this cutting-edge treatment comes with its fair share of risks. And let's not even start on the price tag. It can really burn a hole in your pocket. Now I know what you're thinking. Is there another way to boost my stem cell health without signing away my life savings? Absolutely. You can kickstart your body's natural healing process through a balanced diet, regular exercise, and stress management. Simple, yet effective, and definitely lighter on the wallet. Remember, the glitzy world of advanced medical treatments like stem cell therapy is enticing, but it's important to weigh the pros and cons. Your health isn't just a trend, it's your life. Click like, subscribe, and tap that notification bell to get updated on health and wellness videos. So, consult with healthcare professionals, do your homework, and consider all options before jumping on the bandwagon. That's it for today. Stay savvy about your health choices and keep tuning in for more insights. Catch you next time.